Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to create the Spring Boot application. So go to the Google and type Spring Initializer. Click on this. Okay, you have to click Maven, language Java, Spring Boot. You have to select this one. Your key capacities, everything is fine. If it is select any other not Kotlin or Groovy, you have to select as Maven. Okay, we have to configure the project using Maven dependencies. Language we have to using as Java. The version you know, don't select these versions. It also called as a beta version. Okay, you have to select that one which Spring Boot recommended. Okay, this one as automatically it is come. The version is selected as Spring Boot application. Okay, the default one you have to get this one. You can keep as it is. After the project metadata here group, we have to select here as Spring Boot classes. Okay, so here we have to type MySQL, right? My app. Now you can see the package has been created successfully. Spring Boot class my app. Select the package jar version 70. So this is the small configuration we have did. Dependency we have to select as web JPA. Another one is a MySQL. So these are the simple configuration we have to do at the Spring Initializer. Okay, the project name, language, that Spring Boot, that is a project metadata, right? So these are the things. This is a package name, which is a Spring Boot class my app. Package name, version you are select as 17. This is the dependencies. Web, this one should be for RESTful API. In order to work with the RESTful API, we need this one. If you are going to manage the SQL queries, you have to go along with the JPA. This is MySQL connector. You have to select MySQL. Simple. Click generate. Now you can go. Your project has been generated successfully. You will be able to see the simple way to create the new project. My app. This is how we have create the new project. Simple way to create the new project. Thank you.